Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring you have the latest driver easy installed and launched with administrator rights. Once done, make a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. That protects drivers and settings. Now connect to the internet and close heavy apps to speed the scan. Click Scan Now. You're initiating a full hardware sweep. As it runs, watch for flagged critical drivers. Note their names so you can verify versions later. After the scan completes, you'll review categorized results. Critical first, then recommended and optional. Make sure to compare the listed driver version against the version shown in Device Manager so you understand the change. Once you identify which device to update, select it, prioritize one critical driver at a time to reduce risk. Click Update to download the package. Driver Easy will fetch the compatible file. If you prefer manual control, note the package name and keep the installer location handy. You'll run the downloaded installer and follow prompts. Many drivers install silently but check for on-screen options. Once the update finishes, reboot immediately. That finalizes driver registration and clears cached modules. After reboot, verify device functionality and driver version in Device Manager. If something fails, don't panic. Use the restore point you created or open Device Manager and choose Rollback Driver for the device. If rollback isn't available, uninstall the driver and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.